Good evening, friends. I hope you enjoyed that little run through on how to make the Wonder Clip pin cushions. There was some people asking about them. I'll also include the written instructions in the description box as well, so you can jump down there and have a look at those as well if you want. So today was fun. The kids and I went down to one of the shopping centres and we got my annual Santa photo, which I love. They get it for me every year. I know, I just love them. I don't know how many more years I'll get because the older two will be 20 in January. So yeah, but I'll take whatever years I can have of all of my babies in a Santa photo. I haven't missed a year yet. So we did that today. That was good fun. And then went out for dinner tonight, just to the golf club. We have a golf club just down the road, not far from here. So like literally walking distance. So we went and had dinner there tonight, which was really good. Gotta love a night with no cooking. And yeah, now I'm back here with you and I thought we could do our advent calendars together. And I think that will be it for today, I'm thinking, because I don't have anything else that I can share with you. I was busy with the kids today and it was fun. I enjoyed it. We did our little bits and pieces, but I didn't film any of it. I was just so wrapped up in what was going on. So never mind. So I think it's time that we get stuck into our calendars. Today is the 16th of December, so Vlogmas Day 16, which means it's an even number. We have 3 calendars to open today, and we'll go in our usual order because I'm a creature of habit, and we'll start with our L'Occitane. So we are looking for day number 16. 16. 16 is up here. So let's have a look at what we've got in this one. Oh, rose. It's my favorite. Okay. This one, hands down, 100%, is my absolute favorite. My absolute favorite. I just love the rose scent. Oh yay, I was so hoping we would get this. Every time I go, I buy another tube of this to the L'Occitane store because it is my favorite. Roses are my favorite cut flower, just so beautiful. So excited about that one. Oh, that was a good start to the night, wasn't it? Okay, now I've had to split up my treasures. So I've got my Amanda and L'Occitane in this one. And I've got my yarn in a bowl now. Look at all those colours together, would you? Just take a gander at that gorgeousness. Pretty. And we're going to add to it right now. So let's open the Natural Fibre Arts. We are up to day 16. All right, let's do it. Put you down here. We'll open up our next bag. Oh, this one's a bit tricky. There we go. Got it. Don't worry, I got it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at the streakiness of that one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yes. Okay, we need to just pop that into here. Oh, can you just have a think about how gorgeous these are going to be all knitted together in the one project? How stunning. Oh. And we mustn't forget to feel around for our little stitch marker. I can feel it down the bottom. There we go. I've got quite the collection of these now. I can mark all the stitches. Which is good because the ones that I had were quite boring, really. I just had plain rings. So I'm happy to have all of those ones in there. And finally, let us have a look in this one. We are up for, so if today is day 16, we want box number 8. So let's have a look for box number 8. Oh, and this feels very interesting. It's a soft one. So let's open it up. It's heavy. It's very heavy. Move our ribbon aside. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my goodness. What? She's given me a whole fat quarter bundle. What? Look at all that. Amanda, you're so naughty. Oh, you've spoilt me so much. Hang on, let's just move this ribbon down, so we need to have a proper look at this. We've got kitties. We've got some stripes. Oh, we've got some little French doors. Oh, that's a gorgeous one. Love the colours in that. They look like little, what are those ones you blow? I don't know, dandelion type ones. Oh, aren't they pretty? And, oh, and these ones look, oh, they're super cute. I think that's my favourite. That's gorgeous. Oh, that is, I'm very spoilt. Incredibly spoiled. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to take all this gorgeousness. That is just stunning. Okay, I'm gonna have to make something with these. Gonna have to look how well they all work together too. That's so pretty. Oh, how lovely. That is lovely. All right, we're gonna have to put that in there with all these ones. Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to come up with a project. New fabric gets you really excited, doesn't it? I need to think of something that I can make with those. So cute. I'm very spoilt. I just can't get over the generosity. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am going to call it a night. It is hot in here, actually. It's really hot in here right now. It is very still night. I've got the fan on, so excuse the strobing, but it is such a still night. So it is very humid and bleh. So I think I'm going to go and get myself a cold drink and just have a bit of a relax before bed. And I will see all of you wonderful people again tomorrow for another day. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. I'll see you all tomorrow for a Friday. Bye.